It is time to trade. So I will be sharing the live everywhere. Let me just go ahead and share. Looking for trades. So we'll see if we find some edge, some good trades. Let me just get my coffee. Hi, if you're just tuning in, the first thing we'll do is analyze Bitcoin's price. It was easy to see these dump. These are all shorting opportunities that I've selected, and we're here. This is the 2 hour view up money flows curving down. Hello, we have 4 people. Get some coffee in because we'll be getting some trades going. I'm setting up some alerts to check. So we need every two alerts every 2 hours. I'm setting them on my phone. So what we can see is money flow thing on Bitcoin is heading down. VOOX is heading down. So we're primarily looking for shorts, it seems, and it's the first of this move. So we can easily have 1 or 2 more moves. So go to my short screener. By the way, link in description below for my free Telegram chat where you see all my trades. We made so much yesterday from shorts. We shorted Solana, we shorted a bunch of other stuff. Ready? 7 people, this is insane. Okay, let's start. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find good shorts. I've already set up a few things that I want to see. So basically I want to see currencies that already are down in last 2 hours and have high RSI. That's a good confirmation for me to start. So this is how I would start. And then let me sit comfortably on the chair. And then what do we do after? Should I have a webcam? Should I find my webcam? I didn't. Okay, without one. Let's start. So we have Bitcoin dumping. We're going for shorts. Let's start with HMR, Saga, Resolve. We only look at USDT pairs. We have 5 people in the chat. Hello to everyone who's just tuning in. Hello to everyone who's just tuning in. Just say hi. Just say hi. It is time to trade. NMR we have. Ooh, look at this beauty. Money flows going down. I really want to short this. I'm going to short this. If volume is no, there's buyers. Come on. If we go back here, I'm going to short this. So sad. This is the saddest thing. This could have been an easy trade shorting from here, but we're in an area of basically here we have more buyers. Not worth it for me. Let's go ahead and check out Saga, Grass, VOOX, Allo, the first ones. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep in mind this is no financial advice, but keep you entertained every day with all my trades. Everything is for free. I don't want money. I don't have a paid chat. I don't have anything. So actually, I remember having a. I used to have a course back in the day. I should remove it. I had a video of the course, so I'll actually remove it right now before we continue. In the meantime, do you think Saga is bullish or bearish? Let me know. What do you think? If you go to the Saga price, do you think it's bullish or do you think it's bearish? So we have more buyers, more nets. Okay, so if we bump to 11.05, I'm going in. Basically, we missed it. We should have shorted right here 2 hours ago. That would have been a beautiful short, easy win. Now it can still dump, but I want to have precise trades, especially in the morning. I like to start with good trades, not like with okay trades. I want to start with good trades. Also switch this to the 1 hour. So this is buying, buyers, buyers, buyers. No. When I see the perfect short, I'll explain why we're shorting it. Magenta. Go to Magenta and Jelly and Zora. If you want me to check out a coin for you, just also let me know. Others not worthy of being shorted. It's too early of a coin. Too much gambling. We start trading coins like this. There's more buyers. It's just dumping. Magenta's just dumping because of Bitcoin. Stay hydrated, by the way. Drink as much water as possible in the morning. 38 drawings on Jelly. How cool is that? Look at all the drawings we had. So we dumped a lot. Oh, this might be it. This might be the short I'm looking for. I'm just looking for one. Okay, it's ready. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna short Jelly and I'll explain why and how and my whole thesis right now. So first of all, from my phone for safety reason, I'm gonna short it from there. The take profit would be close. I just want to add the trade in the free signals chat. Again, you can join, link in the description down below. Jelly short. So target number 1 would be here. 4202. Thank you for the like, by the way. Shorting a little bit more for this target. Okay. The first trade is live and well. Let me just get some water. Someone pointed out each bull run with after 1040. Ah, well, look, the 4-year cycle, this can be correct, but this bull run, do you agree with me? Did you? By the way, hey, is very different. We didn't really have a real out season. We had some out season, some form of out season in 2024 October, but it was with pump on coins. Everything pumped. We're already up on the jelly trade. Man, I love trading. In the morning with my coffee. I'm just replying to some few things. So jelly is the first trade. It's gonna be a beautiful trade. We'll take profit pretty quickly. 4202 is the take profit. That you're showing how to short is why we don't have an altcoin season again. Too many people. It's not because of that. It's not because of that. It's because people are flowing into meme coins. Altcoins used to be gamblers, and gambling on a bigger ROI. Look at this. By the way, we're printing right now. It's going very well. Look at this, going good. People started gambling on meme coins on Pump Fund. The reason why we don't have an altcoin season, in my opinion, is Pump Fund. Even ETFs didn't help. And the only reason Bitcoin pumped so much is ETFs and institutions. Institutions won't put their money into altcoins, their profits. They'll put them in real assets like houses, real estate, companies. Zora. Let's check out Zora. And here we'll switch to the 1 hour. I think Toncoin has potential to drop a lot on financial advice. Okay, we'll check it out. What do you think about Toncoin? Why do you think it will drop a lot? I'm not gonna short Zora. Zora kept dipping yesterday. Oops. So Aster, we might short a little bit of Aster here. Yep. We're very likely to short Aster. I just want to see one more. Yep. Look at this. This, I want to see it on the 1 hour. Yep, we're shorting Aster. We're shorting Aster. We're shorting Aster. I'll explain why in a little bit. I just want to add the trade to the signals chat, and we're up a lot on Jelly already. Aster short. Aster used to be a very good coin. Just make a video on it. Take profit. First, take profit. I want a clean and easy one would be here. And I don't know if we just touched it. Oh man, we just touched it. 1140. We gotta be very quick with these trades. But this will probably dump very fast. So you gotta be very careful. So we've got both of these shorts. I also have a calculator. Stuff too. I like that pick at Astra. Yeah. Look at the sellers, 1.8 bill versus 2 bill, 2.4 versus 2.7. Even this is bearish. We'll probably dump lower, but I think this is an easy trade. I'm looking for quick trades. Still a few percent of a move. A few percent of a move. Look at this. 5% move. That's not bad at all. Okay, what else should we short? I want things that come up on my screener. So I'm not, so this is how I'm saving a lot of time. Getting some vitamins in the morning. Zach actually has a huge use case for crypto for investment. What is about investing into something innovative? Yep, this is the issue. Zach would have bumped even higher on a normal market. Would have held $1,000 plus. Would have held them easily. Sometimes you can get what you want. But sometimes you can get what you need. A little bit of what you need. So after we checked it out, what else do we have? We have Pax Gold. Not gonna check that. That's gold. WCT, Zen, Bartcoin, Atom, XPL. $80% off. Okay, I have 7 days to decide. I'm not gonna look at that. I'm gonna look at this. We have more sellers. This can be a short, and this will very likely be a short. It is a short. We're shorting. We're shorting. We're shorting XPL. Where will we short to? From here, very likely all the way down. Maybe for a good one. 2014. This is my entry basically. We're already up. I can go for this. Ooh. Like an easy trade. Let's do it and look at the we shorted the top as well yesterday on it. Go ahead and shorting XPL. I think I'm full of shorts. I've got 3 good shorts. We're about to take profit on Jelly. Look at, I'll show you the profit on Jelly so far. Look at the screen. Sorry for my phone. Still holding the Jelly short. We're down on Aster, which is a bummer, around 1%. I'm not gonna add to it though. I want to be super careful with these shorts. We have a strong initiative for a dump. I just want to add something more to the calculator. Okay, I think we're good. We got the trades we need. I will start another stream if we want to short more stuff, but I think we're good. I'm hoping we just take profit on these trades and we move to long soon. But it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time. Bitcoin needs to do some specific things. Maybe it will take 4 hours from now. But I'm planning to do a lot of lives like this. So if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Absolutely free to join my free signals chat in the link in the description down below. On Telegram, you see all of my trades, just like